We meet again. We meet again as we meet so often after these title wins. Do I ask you something or are you going to tell me something anyway?
It's better if you ask and then I reply.
I asked you when you last won a trophy about the legacy you leave behind at CSK and you said I haven't left it behind yet.
So you're looking for an answer. You know, if you circumstantially, if you see this is the best time for me to announce the retirement, you know, but the amount of love and affection that I've been shown wherever I have been this year, you know, I think the easy thing for me to say would be like, thank you very much. But the tough thing for me is to work hard for another 9 months and come back and play at least one more season of IPL. But a lot depends on the body. You know, I have 6, 7 months to decide. And I think, you know, it's something, it will be more like a gift from my side. You know, it's not easy for me, but, you know, that's a gift. The way they have shown their love and affection, I think that's something that I need to do for them.
Normally, MS, you don't show any emotion when you win or lose. The other day when I was doing an interview with you in Chepauk, for the first time I got the impression as you were looking up at the crowd that I thought you showed a little bit of emotion.
Well, you do get emotional, you know, for a simple fact that it's the last part of my career, and I think it started over here. You know, when I'm playing the first game, I just walked around and, you know, the full house was chanting my name. You know, my eyes actually filled with water and I just stood there in the dugout for a while. You know, I took my time and I realized, you know, I want to enjoy it and not take that pressure. And I think it was same thing in Chennai. You know, it was my last game over there, but it'll be good to come back and play, you know, whatever I can.
अब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी वापस आईपीएल खेलने आए हैं, लेकिन कई बार इंजरी के बाद महेंद्र सिंह धोनी आए तो लोगों के अंदर उत्साह है कि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी खेलते हुए देखेंगे और धोनी आगे कितने आईपीएल और खेलेगा, ये देखने वाली बात होगी कि धोनी अपना जो फिजिकल हेल्थ है कि कहाँ तक वो मेंटेन बना के रखते हैं। और समय ये है कि धोनी अगला 2027 जो आईपीएल होगा उस आईपीएल में महेंद्र सिंह धोनी खेल पाएंगे या नहीं खेल पाएंगे, ये बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है। क्योंकि सबसे पहले धोनी के सामने ये है कि वो अपना हेल्थ कॉन्शियस कहाँ तक फिट रखते हैं, अपनी बॉडी कहाँ तक फिट रखते हैं कि